You get what you get ready for. Hey, hi, I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by my channel where I aspire to inspire you to bloom into your fullest, greatest potential. And I was just thinking today about how often I see people that I know and love expecting things to go wrong and basically getting ready for, jobs they don't like, relationships they think are going to suck, illnesses, aging. It's amazing to me how much time and energy people spend getting ready for things that they don't even want. And basically, a good number of those things do come about. And conversely, a few of my friends, more and more, the kind of people I'm trying to hang out with more and more, and the kind of person I am becoming, aspiring to be, the kind of person I hope that you are aspiring to be, that kind of person gets ready for what they love, gets ready for what they think is great, gets ready to have a really great time, gets ready for great relationships, gets ready for success in business, gets ready to put on a good show, all those things. And what do you know? The majority of the things that I'm getting ready for come about. Now, of course, there's a little mystery, a little surprise, because wouldn't life be kind of boring if there was no mystery, no surprise, if we just set it in motion and then with no mystery or surprise right in a certain time it came about? No, instead, there's some mystery and surprise. Bonus! I think that's extra great. And basically, the things that we focus on, the things that we get ready for, do come about just in their own time, sometimes with a little trickiness, sometimes not quite the way we would have expected. And the point is to get ready for the things you love, get ready for the kind of relationships you want to have, get ready for the kind of experiences you want to create, you want to enjoy. Get ready to enjoy a good meal. Get ready to enjoy a good party. Get ready to enjoy listening to some good music. Whatever you're getting ready to do, make sure it's making you smile. And if not, think about how you can adjust your mental attitude, your mind, your thinking, your thought process, or maybe your actions. But first, start with your mind, because a lot of times we're doing things that we actually want to do, that we're choosing to do, but for some reason we're stuck in this negative loop where we expect the worst, where we say, anything bad that could happen will. Murphy's good old grumpy Murphy's law. And I think that's only true if you expect it to be true, if you say it's true, if you look for it to be true. I say things are getting better all the time. Things are always working out for me. Everything I want and everything I need is always, in all ways, flowing to and through me with ease. That's one of my daily mantras, and it's true for me because I believe it, because I get ready for it to be true. So I encourage you to, if you want to, I just got a CD of my original songs that I worked on a lot last year. They kind of got put on the back burner for a while, and the guys in the studio finally finished them up for me and got them produced on a CD that I can then take and produce on more CDs. And I'm so excited. And the thing is, if I hadn't started practicing every day, telling people that I was a musician and getting ready to record, getting ready to perform, getting ready for the gigs that I got offered, then none of that would have happened. But because I got ready for it, because I started playing every day, because I started telling people that I wanted to play with them, because I started taking the opportunities that came my way to perform, even though I wasn't up to the standard I wanted to be at, I understood, and I still understand, that showing up, doing the work, practicing makes me better. And expecting to get what I want helps me be ready for what I want when it gets here. So I'm looking forward to spending a day or two with a great friend of mine. I've been getting ready for my business to take off. I've been getting ready for my YouTube channel to start doing even better. And by the way, if you want to support me in my YouTube channel, there's links in the description for my Patreon page. I've got some books for sale. I'm working on a course that will be added to there soon. I'm doing some private consulting and coaching. So if any of that interests you, oh, and I have an eBay store where I sell creativity and shamanic kind of supplies, including essential oils and herbal smoking blends. So if any of that interests you, please check me out. Hook up with me. All that info is in the comment section or in the description, and you can leave me a comment in the comments section to let me know what you're expecting. I'd love to know, what are you getting ready for? That's the question of the day. Till next time, I wish you peace, prosperity, positivity, potential, and playfulness.